Sit. Sit. I'm going to throw biscuit for Guy now. Let's see what Guy will do. Ooh, he jumped up. Guy can jump. Sit. Sit. Sit, sit, sit. Get ready to catch. Get ready to catch. See how he's aiming the biscuit. Yeah, let's go. Oh. Sit. Sit. Because he has been all day, he has been inside. At least I want him to stretch his legs and to jump up and down too, so that he can be able to get himself. So I'm throwing biscuit for Guy. See how he will jump up. Let's go there. Sit. Sometimes you can see cow and you see the cow in this page. You should know that it's not only about dogs. I like most of the animals. You can see different type of animal. You can see, sit down, Guy. Sit. Sit. You can see different type of animal in this page. Always view it, and if there is anything you want to let us to know, you drop a comment. Sit. You drop a comment so we will understand you and know what we are supposed to do. Look at Guy, how serious he is when it comes to food. Don't just play with Guy, because Guy will go for food. Sit down. Guy, sit. Sit. He knows everything. You can easily detect when Guy is sad. You can detect when Guy is not so happy. And you can do one or two things to make Guy happy. So Guy is very friendly, as I've been saying. When Guy is sick, you also know, because he will not be able to, all this jumping that you are seeing Guy doing, he will not be able to jump. So look at him. So he has finished his biscuits. Guy, sit. 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 How are you?